Pigs make me sneeze. Look at all those tissues. An elephant and piggy book. Elephant. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? A chew? Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew. I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry, Piggy. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. You got a helmet. Chew. Goodbye. But Gerald. Sniff. Oh, there's Dr. Cat again. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy's also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze, Gerald. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, 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 great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Oh, man. Now Piggy has a cold, too. Oh, there's the pigeon. Gerald is so silly.